Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cube Coding. I'm your friend Sir. Today I'm going to solve the problem what is a case sorted list, and it is the problem number 23 of leetCode. So first start this solving the problem. I request to you go and watch my videos, merge the case two sorted list, and that problem is easy problems. And first go and watch that video, and that problem is helpful for you understanding that problem, because almost both are a similar problem. You go and watch this video, then after is go with this video. I hope you watch this video. So so let's start the solve the problem. So first read the question, then after show you what I will approach use inside this problem. So let's start the reading questions. You are given the array of k linked list. Each linked list is a sorted ascending order. And just like you given the link array of k linked list, that list is a sorted, and you have to merge all the linked lists into the one sorted linked list and return it. So just like entire list you have to merge, and just like entire list you have to merge and create the one list, and then is return that list. So I hope you understood the questions. So let's see the examples. Let's tell the example. So you can see the examples. Give the name of the array lists. Inside this list, inside the array is given the lists linked list, just like a list one, list two, and list three. So given, and it's go to merge entire list and create the one list, and you just see inside the example output. You can say that is return. That is a merge list of among this list. So I hope you understood the examples. So what is my approach? I will use inside this problem. So I will use that just like we are did in the merge to sorted list. So same things I will be applied that technique for solving that problem. Just took two list from in the array and go to merge. And then after we will come to merge list, I will push inside this list. And finally, when is the list length is become a one. So after that, skip that list, because there is a I just entire list go to merge, and what's the list length is become a one. So not need to merge, because it's the one key element inside this. So then after I will go to print. So I hope understood what I'm trying to say. When you have problem, don't worry. I will try to recap with my with coding. Then after you verify this, what I'm trying to say. So let's start the coding. So I will first check the list of lengths. What is the length of it? When suppose is 0, so A is return null. Then after I will use a while loop for the particular how is the list that places, just like a list one, list two. So for iterating that array, so I will use the loop. So inside this, I will check that what's the length of list. Length of list is like a length. It should be greater than one. I is telling what before, just like one list is when is available. So that I will consider that is also is a it's a merged list. So that's why reason I just consider length should be greater than one. Then after I will be merging this lists, because when is a one list inside this array, so how can merge it with other list, because already has a list one. So you not need to merging other lists. So you have to merge. So you have to need to more than one elements, one list. So I hope understood. So let's start. And I've create the variable first. I give the name of list one, and I just get the first element. How can get it first element from this array or from this list? So I will use this list dot shift. So you know that what is did the shift is just like delete the element from this beginning. So first element is go to delete. So it's come inside this list one. So what is the left other? So just left two elements, list one, list two, and list three. So need to your list two. So again, I will apply that technique shift. So it's come to second element inside this. After that, I will send that merge function. So I will call the merge function. So I haven't been declared. Don't worry, I will declare after the completed that function. So I pass the two parameters. List two. List one. List one and list two. Wait. List two. After that, just declare the variable. I will give the name of merge. Give the variable merge list. So who's just like that function is what is the return. So come this variable, and after that was merging list. I will be push again inside this list. So I will use the unshift. Unshift, you know that what will we do? Just is push the variable from the beginning of the list. So as it is just like is delete the variable from beginning as it is did same thing just is push the variable from the beginning. So just pass that argument. What's the argument? Merge. What is the merge list? Not argument. It's tell is value. Yes, elements whatever you want to tell. Elements value. And finally, when is become the length one? So after that you have to be ready. List 0. That is, I think almost this problem is solved because just you have to create the merge function and you know that how can create the merge function when you watch my videos of merge the two sorted list. So you got the idea what will be what will be doing next. So I create the function. I give the name of merge. Pass the parameter to list one and some list two. And then after declare the head and pass with new values list node 0, and after that declare the dummy head. Dummy head just like the name dummy head. This passes assign initialize this head. After that, open the while loop. That loop is works. It list one not become a null as it is not become a list two is become a null. So after that, I will check that value whose value is smaller. Is two dot val. So whose value is like a list one value is smaller. So this come this uh, true blocks, and here is assigned the dummy add dot next is equal to list one. After that, you have need to move up one step list one dot next, and just else from suppose list two is list two value is smaller than list one. So come inside this, come this else block and this come else block and return dummy dot head dot next. Just pass the list two. After that, list two, move a one step, list two dot next. Finally, it's come to time to move a and move dummy head one step of this type of dummy head dot next. Uh, After that, I will declare another loops particular list one. Suppose list one length is greater than list two. So then is go to left that elements of list two. So here is assign value of list one. Use the left inside this list one. So I will assign the particular list one. So first list, and after that I will move one step list one. That loop is works till is not a list one become a null. After that I will move one step dummy head dot next. As it is, you have to do with with same thing is list two. So write a list two and just type of dummy head dot next is equal to list two. Whatever list two is equal to list two dot next and dummy head equal to dummy head dot next. And finally come to return. So here is the return the head. When you return a head, so it is a print that along with zero, but we don't need to zero. So here type the next. It will be returned after the one step. So I hope you understood this entire code. When you have problem anything, so understanding the code, so leave the message in description box. I will be give you better answer to how is you solve that problems. Where is you have to problem with code. So I try to resolve your problem. So please let me know in comment section. I will definitely assign to you. So let's see it is working or not. Also, here is a spelling mistake. Don't worry. So you can see it is successfully running. I hope so. You understood the entire code. So let's see it is submitting and all. You can see it is successfully submitting. So I hope you understood the code. You have any problem, don't worry. So just leave inside the message. My description box, I will be definitely answer your question. So thank you watching my videos. Thanks a lot once again. So you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe the channel. You definitely or beneficial for you that channel. I will be make this new videos and most important questions of leetCode. So thank you once again. Watch my video.